knowledge makes you great.
It's been 25 years of passionate chasing. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, Namaste. This is Anand Krishnan here. Welcome to Tarmac Media House Channel's a very refreshing episode. And this time we are getting you sports. I am at Agon Sports in Bangalore, perhaps one of the most popular sporting centers in Bangalore. 10 badminton courts, shooting range, table tennis courts, and temperature control pool behind. And a lot of national and international players and coaches playing here. Why I am getting you this story of Agon Sports and iSports. iSports is the badminton academy at Agon Sports. iSports is headed by international player Krishna Kumar. We will meet all the champions a bit later. So sit back and enjoy this particular edition from Tarmac Media House, wherein you will now see what is happening inside the academy, rigorous training, also meet some greats.
We were not in India, we were in Oman, and that's when she got initiated into badminton. And then the coaches there thought that, felt that there is no future for the sport there for Janani. If she needs to move forward, then she needs to go to a place where the sport has a better future. So then we moved back to India. I think it was 2014. iSports has been, I would say, it's like you're climbing a mountain and that is the peak. So our journey was slow and slow and slow. Once we've joined here, the rise has been phenomenal. And the support from the coaches, KK sir, Sanjeet sir, Saif sir, Aditya sir, all of them, it really molds the players. iSports and Janani, it's like a bonding. It's a bonding between the players, the coaches, and the families associated with the iSports team. That makes the difference.
My name is Pradeep Karnaratna. I'm from Sri Lanka. I work here as a teacher and my daughters play here at iSport. We moved to India 3 years ago, and then I was looking for the places for my daughters to play badminton. Then I heard about iSport from one of my friends. She's the one who recommended my daughters, and we moved here and we came here for a trial to iSport, and then we liked the place, and then ever since we joined iSports. My younger one, Chelsea, she was Sri Lankan number 4 under age category of under 13, and my elder daughter Kevinia was a zonal champion in 1918. And that time I realized that they have the potential to do better, and that's the main reason why I moved away from Sri Lanka and came to Bangalore. iSport is actually, to be honest, like I can say it is the highlight here. The coaches are very professional, especially Krishna Kumar sir understood very well. He saw the potential of my daughters. The very first day he said, I will make your daughters champion, bring them here, and ever since, I can see they have improved so much for the last 9 months or so, and they keep continuing to improve, and I'm very happy with the progress they make.
Anand Shankar, father of Maunita, who is a shuttler in iSport since from 7 years, and she is presently playing under 15 category, and she was a champion in under 13 doubles, represented Karnataka and played in the nationals, reached till quarters, and since from 7 years I am here with my daughter. iSports is the one where basics been taught to my daughter, and she has grown up till here because of the good coaches and good environment what we have here, and all the coaches, we all are just like a family here in iSports, so that everything brings here together, and the kids are very much happy playing here, learning here, learning new things, and mindsets are very happy, and they are very much enthusiastic to come here and play daily here.
This is Parvati S. Krishnan. I am daughter of S. Krishna Kumar, who is the founder and head coach of iSports. I am a proud iSportian, and so is everybody else. The main father-daughter duo, I would say the speciality of iSports and what we've been creating for the past 19 to 20 years is creating players from scratch up to 90%. The 90 to 100% is a very simple, once they are professionals, anybody can up their game, but we create players from grassroots, from scratch, from the 0%, teaching them the basics, bringing them to semi-advanced, advanced, and then we bring best Indian players. I would say that my biggest inspiration to get back on track is my dad. So because I watched him, even though being really well off in academics and his profession, somewhere down the line he realized that badminton is it. I have to give back to the society, I have to give back to my kids, and here I am right now pursuing badminton professionally.
Whenever anyone comes into iSports, they are treated like family, they are treated like as one, and sir and all the coaches under him treat everyone as the same, and they care for each person so well. They take care of everyone as if they are their own child. iSports has helped me tremendously. They have sat down, each person has sat down, communicated, each coach has communicated well with each other and seen my game so well and understood it so well that they have corrected almost all of my mistakes. It's just that I have to gain little confidence, but in such iSports has given me so much confidence since I've come here. I have like started playing for I think 5 years since I came here in iSports, and they have changed my game tremendously.
Hi, my name is Kevinya and I'm in 11th grade and I'm from Sri Lanka. We came to India because of the lack of experience and opportunities in Sri Lanka in regards to badminton. So iSports is different compared to other academies in India. For example, it looks into different aspects. For instance, they do take care of the technical aspect, including the mental health and the fitness.
My name is Chelsea and I'm in the 10th grade and I'm Sri Lankan and this is my elder sister Kevinya. The two things that I like about iSports is that they really prepare you well, like mentally or physically, and also they like train you like fitness separately, multi-shuttles and rallies, and so you get like a vast exposure. And also like on Fridays we have match day, so like it's like a whole package. The second thing that I like about iSports is that they treat you kind of like family. Like we were kind of scared in the beginning because new country and like everything, and they made us feel very welcomed, and it's like still only our 8th month here, and so we're already really close, so we really appreciate that.
iSports helped me change my emotionally and mentally, and then they helped me improve all my weak spots where I was doing so many mistakes. I wanted to become an Olympic player and win World Championship. I feel everyone are really good to me. They're like encouraging me on everything. KK sir, on the court he's really tough, and outside the court he's like a father to me.
My name is Dia and I'm from Dubai. I'm 13 years old and I'm in 8th grade. Came to iSports to improve my game because back in Dubai there were not many good players. iSports, it makes you improve in one place and then moves on to the next.
My dream is to improve my game very much. I want to play for India. I want to win in Olympics. Just one of my dreams is badminton is my dream. I just love to play the sport. I'm really attracted to it. I think in iSports there are many players. The training is really good. The coaches are well trained. They train us to be, they help us improve our game. Throughout the 5 months I've been with my sister here, we have improved our game really much, I can say, in the course of 5 months. I think this academy is one of the best.
No, first of all, I love Krishna Kumar sir. So he's a Indian badminton player. So many years he played for Karnataka. He represents India. So we used to learn from him so many things, so many games, so many stuff we learn from him. I work under him. I learn so many things from him.
My focus is to train many national and international players, and we are almost there. So iSport is almost there. So right now we're gonna train many more players, and we're gonna go higher, much higher. Players have to be more committed to this game. So studies also they have to manage, and the game also they have to manage. And once they enter the course, they have to be more serious, more focused. As you said, they have the Tiranga should be there always. So that focus should be there, and our flag should go high, should fly high.
We are proud to say that we have produced more than 75 state champions, 5 to 6, more than 6 national champions, and our kids have represented India in the junior world championships, in the junior ABC, and now they are making a big mark in the senior circuit also. iSports, as of now, we are at 6 centers throughout Bangalore, and our focus is on identifying the right talent, nurturing them, giving them the best model, the best the drills, and make them future champions. I am proud to be an iSportian. I used to work in ITI previously, quit my job and joined corporate for 10 years, and now I am with Krishna Kumar, whose whole life has been a passion to provide the best facility for badminton coaching for all the players in Karnataka, and tireless support to the players who want to play more and more. So I am very happy that I am with Krishna Kumar in an organization called iSports, and we are growing day by day. Our players are dominating, our youngsters are dominating the circuits in Karnataka and the whole of India, and definitely in coming years we should be looking up player from iSports getting us a medal in the Commonwealth, the Asian Games, and are also in the Olympics.
So finally, after all this hectic day of shoot at iSports, we have the man behind this Dream Academy, the one and only KK sir, very popularly known as KK, Krishna Kumar, former India international, the head coach of iSports Badminton Academy. Today, this interview also is like Shishya interviewing the Guru, because I have signed up here my second stint with him for some advanced doubles badminton coaching. Very, very proud of whatever you have done, your awards. Can you tell us about this Prakash Padukone Badminton Academy, the tie-up? Okay, I understand yours is the only academy in India they have it.
Yes, that's true. Okay, so basically we wanted to nurture the kids at till the age of under 19 category. From there they start playing the international circuits. So we don't have the funding and we don't have the capability to send the players to the international arena, because it's requires a lot of funding, lot of other special training, which other infra which we thought Prakash Padukone Academy is having. We have done last 15 years, many players already they are moved to Prakash Padukone Academy and Gopichand's Academy. So we thought let us have a tie-up so that it can be a smooth sailing for our players, and the players and parents will have a lot of confidence getting into our academy. For example, the latest is Tanya Hemant, who was presently the world number 2 in the junior international under 19 category, and she has reached in seniors women's singles also in Denmark Super Series and that international challenge series she has reached. So our aim is to create champions and give them a platform to play international, make them world champions with the support of Prakash Padukone Academy, and we will be always encouraging the players to get into the international circuit.
Absolutely. So now currently how many coaches you have here? You as a senior coach, senior player, is it detrimental to is it okay to parents to coach, put pressure? If you ask me, I say no. What is your opinion about it? Because you are facing it day in and day out.
Yeah. That's a good question, because as a parent, my daughter also plays. She is playing into national and international level now. So it has to be a balanced one. parent has to support. When the parent becomes a coach, then the player cannot play.
Okay.
Because normally what happens, it is added pressure. So for me, the parent has to just support the child, leave the entire
Stay away from the court.
Yeah,
that
stay
is
away from
the
coach.
coaches are the bosses, right?
Yeah.
Now finally, sir, one question. What are the future plans of iSports Academy along with Agon Sports? I understand that some advanced training camp is coming up. What is that? Can you talk about it?
Yeah. See, Agon is like, Naveen is given us all the freedom, because that's what any academy needs. He has given us as like our own coach. He is very kind enough to give us all the timing for all the coaches. Anytime we ask the coach, it's available, and we are going to do this as one of the biggest center in India. This is going to be, as on today, we have got players from Dubai, we have got players from Sri Lanka, from Qatar, we are getting the players from Kerala, and I got call from Maharashtra. There was a player, Maharashtra state champion was here last year. Because of the pandemic, she has gone back.
So a lot of people are coming, they're shifting bases, they're shifting their thing, they're shifting jobs, so much of sacrifices. So it is really, really interesting, and I wish you all the best, sir. And I'm sure with a lot of effort, all this passion, you and Naveen, all the people to the coaches, iSports is going to rock. And all the best. And one day, I'll be wearing this tricolour. This is a gifted one, but I'll own one with your coaching. Alright, so now here still at Agon Sports, the man who built this place, Naveen Ramakrishnan. Very interesting story of this youngster, a chemical engineer who went to IIM Calcutta to do his MBA and then worked in IT and finally said enough. Badminton is passion, and look at what he has created here. Behind me what you see is perhaps one of the rarest heated swimming pools in Bangalore, 25 meters. Inside you saw 10 badminton courts, dedicated chef, international and national players, coaches, family. All this man's idea. Very proud of you, Naveen.
Thank you, AK.
I know that there is a Gurukulam connection to you. We'll come to that. First and foremost, I wanted to track, when did this idea of a badminton academy or this kind of a facility come to your mind?
This all started in 2012 after seeing the Olympics, where every Olympics that we finish, we have the standard thing, hey, India didn't do well, we just got a single medal and so on. So that really haunted me, and I realized that though we have sports facilities around the world, like China for example has one of the best infrastructure, when it comes to India, we see it is very, very minimal from the government side of it. And when you take all the clubs and so on, it is only the elite members who can get access to it. So the cream of the segment, where the real grassroots level, where we can start training them, can bring in discipline, can bring in a great level of passion involved in sports, that was missing. So we realized, hey, why don't we do something in this space? It is not for the money, but our clear agenda, our dream was to get a connect with the normal, common being. So when we started in 2014, so this conceptualized in the year 2013, and then we started building it, and we wanted to ensure it is going to be a world-class infrastructure, and more importantly, it should touch every human being that we can commonly get.
Naveen, I understand that you and your brother are the pillars who started this idea, and then you developed it all that. Today, national coaches, international coaches. How did you land KK, sir? How did you get KK? Because according to all the players and sports administrations in badminton, He is perhaps one of the most respected badminton players and coaches in India. Absolutely. How did you get this prize catch?
This again happened way back in 2013. We got to catch up and understand what he was doing. And when I saw his presentation, it was very, very simple, just 4 slides with no masala, as we call it, in marketing terms. It was just plain four slides with 4 bullet points, but that spoke for itself. So we understood that he was a real mastermind coach who can actually develop a great level of players, and rightly so. Today you can see in the top 10 the number of kids from our academy. I think pretty much in India, I think we might be the only academy which has produced so many from grassroots level.
You also want to target some university players, right? The university teams. Absolutely. So what is that plan? Very interesting, because that is where you can really turn. So you are going to provide them. Is the plan firm? What is that?
We again see various universities have very good players. In fact, they have got through sports quotas into the particular college and university and so on. But unfortunately, again, access to good coaches are fair and difficult to get. So that's something that we would like to provide and mold them.
Thank you so much, Naveen. Very proud of you. And here is a small thing, my second book. This is Dr. Kalam's, there is a very rare foreword. And this is something which you will love.
Wow.
Done by an army commando, signed by Dr. Kalam. Yeah, and one for your wife, who supported you all the way. Your madness. Yeah. Only mad people can take India forward. I'm glad that I met a mad guy.
Thank you, AK, for all your time and your passion. I'm sure it percolates to me as well. Yeah.
First and primary thing is that eat, sleep, drink, dream, badminton. Shuttle court has to be in the front all the time. And that sound. Podium, finish. Nothing else, no WhatsApp, no Instagram, nothing. Coach is the ultimate man, guru. How many of you touch his feet before starting the game? Please do that. Guru Devo Bhava, first and most important thing. How many of you touch feet of your mother every day? If you want to become world number 1, if you want to become Indian players, first and primary thing, mother. The first coach and the only best coach in the world. Touch your feet. How is the Josh, guys? So that was a day spent at this wonderful iSports Badminton Academy at Egan Sports Facility in Bangalore. Dreams of a couple of passionate badminton players and administrators. What a wonderful story of Naveen, the COO of Egan Sports. What a brilliant story of KK Sir, the one and only KK Sir, the man who, along with his daughter and a couple of friends, stitched together this great dream, and a bunch of brutally talented coaches and players. Be it Sanjit, Safe, and many others. I'm not taking all the names. And look at the kind of players we have seen from different parts of India, different countries. Mark my words, iSports is going to make big headlines in the coming days, the kind of plans they have. What does this story tell us? This story tells us if you're locked onto your dreams passionately, you can achieve many things. This quote and many quotes has already churned many superstars. The new address of Indian badminton will be iSports. I hope you guys enjoyed this different program on Tarmac Media channel. Do remember to subscribe the channel. Do remember to tell others about all that what we do. And remember, of late we have been telling, we need support. Independent journalism needs support. I hope people who are capable will support our missions. Stay safe, stay inspired. Tricolor all the time. And do remember to help others in whatever form you can. Thank you. Jai Hind.